In today's lesson, we do have a circle that has two tangents that externally meet and one tangent that just passes it. The ones that intersect at point B are AB and BC, while the one that touches it is FD. We are given that BF is 9 centimeters and we're also given that BD is 8 centimeters. While FD is 7 centimeters. We are asked to find the radius of this circle. Now to do this, first of all, let us draw the radius into the circle with center O. Obviously, there are two radii that can intersect the points of tangency with lines BA and BC. Now, let E be this point where the tangent DF is touching the circle, and so we do have two lines EF and FC being tangents and meeting at the point F. So this means that EF and FC must be equal. Let us call each of them X. Now we were given DF as being 7 centimeters. To get DE only, we'll have to do subtraction, and so that is going to be 7 minus X. Again, you notice that the lines DE and DA are tangents to the circle, externally meeting at the point D. And so that means if DE is 7 minus X, then DA must also be 7 minus X. Now let us turn our attention to finding the angle ABC. We notice that AB and BC are again common tangents that meet at point B externally, and so that means that BA and BC must be equal. And so we're going to take that BA is equal to BC, and we know that BA is 8 plus 7 minus X, while BF is 9 centimeters, while FC is X. And so we do have 8 plus 7 minus X should be equal to 9 plus X. We go and solve that. 15 minus X will be equal to 9 plus X, and we bring the numbers together. We take 9 to the left hand side, so we have 15 minus 9 giving us 6, while minus X will go to the right hand side as plus to give us 2x. We divide both sides by 2, and so x is equal to 3 centimeters. This is our first step in finding angle ABC, because we do have the length of AB. We're going to see how that is going to be useful. Next, we're going to draw a line from B to the center of the circle, so that we have creation of a triangle ABO. Let us use cosine rule to find the angle ABC, and to do this we consider triangle BDF, which is a scalene. We're going to use the cosine rule to find angle ABC. So we'll start with the side 7, and so 7 squared will be equal to 8 squared plus 9 squared minus 2 times 8 times 9 cos B, B being the angle ABC. 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64, 9 squared is 81, and 2 times 9 times 8 is 144 cos B. 64 plus 81 is 145, and so we go and take 145 to the left hand side, so we have 49 minus 145 is equal to minus 144 cos B. To continue, I have brought the diagram on this side, but a more simplified form. You notice we still have the same dimensions. So we now reach the stage of, we had reached the stage of 49 minus 145 is equal to minus 144 cos B. We're going to subtract the left hand side, and that gives us negative 96 is equal to negative 144 cos B. To find cos B, on one side we're going to divide both sides by minus 144, and so now we do have cos B is equal to negative 96 divided by negative 144. Cos B therefore is equal to 2 over 3. To find B, the angle B, we're going to find the cos inverse of 2 over 3, and that is 48.2 degrees, rounded off to 1 decimal place. Now we were given that the line DA is 7 minus x, and so to find it we remember that x is 3, and so we do have 7 minus 3, and that gives us 4 centimeters. Now we're going to use SOHCAHTOA to find the dimensions of the radius. We remember that the tangent BA meets the radius at A, and so that means from circle properties that BAO is 90 degrees. We do now have formation of a right angle triangle ABO, where angle ABO is half of angle ABC, which is half of 48.2 degrees, which is 24.1 degrees. We use SOHCAHTOA, so that tan of 24.1 is equal to R over 12, and we multiply by 12 on both sides, so that the radius is going to be 12 times tan 24.1, and that gives us 5.3665631 and so on and so forth. We round that off, and so we do have 5.37 centimeters. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel.